How to remove your TikTok on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove your TikTok on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and now click the storylines in top corner and click on your profile and then click edit profile, and now just go down and you will find links here. Just click edit and then go to your TikTok and you will find remove. Just click on it, and as you see now your TikTok has been removed, and then just click it save, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.